Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. So here we go, February the 26th. The market has been crashing. But it's okay. We got a break and a retest right here with Tesla. So we are on a 5-minute time frame. It's looking like it could go either way. So we are in a prime position. We have already entered the trade twice, and the third time is a charm. All right. So this is a whale in the making. All right. It looks like this reversal pattern that's bullish is giving us the sign that once this green candle here takes out this red bar to the left, we're going for calls. We're going to buy a call because now we should be going back up to 309.69. We want to tap that resistance. We are looking to tap that resistance. All right, so boom, we're in the trade, one contract at 280. All right, now we're going to go set a stop loss, a stop limit order. We got one. We go set the limit price to 255. Okay, with a stop price of 260. Remember, the stop price is the stop sign, the limit price is the stop sign, the stop price is the brakes. All right, so right now we're looking, we got in at 280. So we're looking to give ourselves about a $25-$30 loss, max loss. All right. And boom, we're already up 8. We're up 18. Okay. We're up 18. Waiting to see us take out this next red bar to the left. So far, so good. But you have to remember, this is something that I'm learning. That 5-minute time frame, it's a lot of time to go back in the other direction. See, that's something I didn't realize. I didn't really have to deal with this on the 2-minute time frame. Okay, on that 2-minute time frame, it's a little bit more decisive. After about 90 seconds, you can confirm or you can feel more confident in your decision. But here, I say you need about 3 minutes, about 3.5, about 4 minutes to kind of be certain on what we're doing. And again, this is a learning lesson because as of this moment, it looks like we're going to the top, but it's starting to stall out a little bit. Now, if I was scalping, I would have just took that. Just because it stalled out. I don't like that. But today, I'm trying a new method. I'm trying to be more technical. I'm trying to use my stop limit order. I'm trying to be very, very strategic and intentional. I'm playing by rules today. Rules, and this is the reason why I actually had a nice amount of success today. So again, we playing calls at the break and the retest. All right, look here, this blue 305.05, that is support. All right, that is the support level. So we already broke through it. We came back. We retested it. That last candle was a doji. We jumped in this one. It looks to be taking off to the top. That looks like it could be a 20 MA halt. All right. It looks like that green moving average is catching that fall and it's bouncing off of that fall. So I'm confident that we're going up. All right. I'm looking to get up to 309.69 and take profit. All right, so that candle formed and it's like, let's go. Okay, so now here's where remember, we got a stop loss. So this changed the game for me a little bit today. The fact that I had a stop loss in play, a stop limit order, changed the game. All right, so now what I'm doing is I came to the simulator because I don't just want to have a dollar amount. I want to know how much would I lose at 304.05 because that's where the play becomes invalid. So at 304.05, that's a $45 loss. That is too big. I can't afford a $45 loss, so I have to respect my max loss. That $45 loss is too high, so I'm going to leave my stop loss where it's at. For this one, it will be 236. So at this point, I'm considering moving my stop loss down to 236 instead of having it at 235. So 235, another $20. Why? Because I want to give the play an opportunity to make something of itself. But where I have my stop loss at is about that 50% mark. So if this thing comes back 50%, I should pretty much chalk it up. And that's what happens here. This red candle takes out more than half of the green candle and that green candle is pretty big. So because we took out half, I'm anticipating getting stopped out here, and I'm already considering how I'm going to respond. So remember, we're looking at a break and a retest at support. So this is a perfect entry, but you just got to be on the right side of the trade. So where I got in at was good. Some would argue that I should have scalped. But again, I haven't lost the bar that I got in on yet. However, I'm already approaching my max loss. And there we go. Boom. Just got me out. All right. $23 loss about. And look, we already took out way more than half of that bar. So now this is that bare 180. I got stopped out. Damn it, man. But it's okay. I'm not crying over spilt milk. That's only $23. That's a good loss. I accept. Now I'm going to immediately look for a put opportunity. I'm looking to take this thing back down, because if you stop me out here, then we should be continuing to the downside, especially the way that red, that's almost a reversal. Literally, it went up green and then it reversed and came right back down red. All right. So that's the power. And we already got red bars to the left. All right. We came out early and peaked the resistance level. And now it looks like we are about to head to the downside. We got a 22 delta. Remember that. It's a 23 delta. And we are about to put up 291.04. All right. 291.04 with a 23 delta. And we're at 304.05. 304.05. Fill me up. Hey, yo. Let's go. Fill this order. What's taking so long? Too much suspense. Oh, let's go. We're moving. Look, pulling back. So right now I'm trying not to be too anticipatory. I don't want to anticipate. I want a confirmation. I've made this mistake already, getting too overzealous. And I realize this is the 5-minute candle. We still got time before this candle closes. It could turn into a tail bar right here, and we could be continuing to the upside. But I'm already ready to respond. I got stopped out, but that's okay. That was a fair. I'm happy with that loss. That was a technical loss. That's how you should do it. That's how I'm proud of myself for managing my risk. Now it looks like we could be pulling back. So again, I'm being very patient. Look at your boy. I'm being very patient, waiting for this to happen. I'm not going to jump the gun. If this happens, then I'm going in. Here we go. We just broke past. Boom. We broke past. Oh, they flashed on me. All right, they flashed on me. And here, as soon as I need a little pullback to happen. Dang. All right, there we go. Boom. We got filled. And now, continuation to the downside. That's how I look when you first turn the faucet on. You turn that faucet, and then we start pouring. We start flowing to the downside. So let me go right in and put a stop limit order in. I got in at 291. All right, we got a $30 stop loss. All right, but that's the max. So now I'm looking like, okay, so that's 260. All right, so we're going to try to get out a little earlier than that, but the max is 260. So remember, the stop price is where you hit your brakes at. The limit price is the stop sign. So I don't want to skirt past the stop sign. I want to get out no more than 260, no more than $30. So I got a $30 stop loss. I'm up 15. Okay, so far so good. I need to not rush to move my stop loss up. Okay, I need to not rush to move my stop loss up. I gotta be patient. And remember, I'm okay with losing that 30. That's fair. That's fair. I gotta give it some time though. I gotta give this some time to cook on the 5-minute time frame. All right, here we go. Little pullback action. But we holding steady because now what? We just broke through support. That 304.05 was support. And now support becomes resistance. So now that's the ceiling. Yeah, check out the support and resistance video where I explain this to you a little bit more. The floor has become the ceiling, and now it's struggling to get back up there. And if you look at these moving averages, they're all tight, but they're starting to curl to the bottom. They're starting to curl towards the bottom a little bit. That's what we want. That's what we want. Curling down to the bottom a little bit. And see, it's a 5-minute candle, so it requires patience. You gotta have that stamina. See, on the 2 minutes, we moving real quick. It's a little bit more excitement. It seems like something has happened, but a lot is happening right here. It's a battle. You're witnessing a battle between the buyers and the sellers. All right. We had some buyers sitting at 304.05, ready to buy it up. And once it hit there, we didn't realize that it's a lot of people also looking to sell. That was the cutoff point. A lot of stop losses get hit. Boom. And once the stop losses get hit and the selling occurs, then more people want to sell. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want to get caught with this bag in my hand. This thing is tanking. The fear. Look at the fear and the greed index. It's a lot of fear in the market today. A lot of fear in the market. Oh, yeah, we going down. We're going down. Now, again, this is where I'm growing up. Your boy growing up. One, I moved up a time frame. Make some noise. I moved up from the 2 minute to the 5 minute. All right. Now I'm playing with a stop loss. I got a stop limit order on the play. I'm not just hoping. I'm not overcome with anxiety. No, I am not. We cooking. We're cooking. Let me move the stop limit up. Let me move my stop limit up. Okay. I was at 250. I was at 270. 270 and 260. Now we up. Now we done moved it up to 320. Yeah, and look, what, 110? 110, let's go. I would have normally scalped that by now. $100, that's good money. But I'm learning. Yeah, you got to be patient if you want to get paid. Yeah, you got to be patient if you want to get paid. All right, and we protecting the law. We already up. We just locked in $30. No matter what happens, we just locked in $30. We played $290 for the put. We at $320. We up 30 no matter what. Okay, now I got to look for an opportunity to move the stop loss up again. I'm looking for another opportunity. All right, we up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move the stop loss up. Let's move that stop loss up again. We at 320. Look, for 155, 158. Boom. Time to move this stop loss up. Let's move this stop loss up. Okay, we're going to bring it up to what? $4? $4. Stop price $4. Hit the brakes at $4. No. The stop sign is going to be $4. The brake's going to be $4.20. We're going to $4.10. The brake's going to be $4.10. Let's do $4.10 and $4. We're going to hit the brakes at $4.10. We're going to stop in front of this $4 stop sign. Oh, yeah. Look at that thing flush down to the bottom. Oh, yeah. That's a good trade. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We ain't swiping at no profits yet. We ain't swiping at no profits yet. Ooh, we might have moved that one up too soon. We got lucky. We almost moved that one up too soon. But we didn't. And now we are going to continue to the downside. Yeah. We're continuing to the downside. Now look at that flicker. Pay attention to what Tesla's doing. Now it looks like the double bottom has been formed. All right, we on the second part of that double bottom. Now we looking to break through here. All right, now we looking to break through this support of 298.25. All right, which is an intraday support from the last 45 minutes of yesterday. So towards the end of the day, that last hour yesterday, this was the low. All right, and it's looking like we testing it. We bouncing on it. We gonna move this up a little bit just in case this reverses. Just in case this is a bounce, we want to get a little bit more profit in. So we just threw another 20 on it. We threw another 20 on it. All right, so we got 420, 290. So we up 130. So we just locked in 130. We got 130 locked in using that stop limit order. All right, now we moving it up some more. 460, 450. We moving it up some more. Moving it up some more. Okay, now we got 160 locked in. We locked in 160. We got 160 locked in as we continue to push. Now we broke through that intraday support. Now we're at the low of the day. The low of the previous day. Previous day's low. And we could bounce off of this. So let's go ahead and we move that stop limit order up some more. 475. Okay, so we at 185. We got 185 locked in. See, we got the pullback. So if it come all the way back to 475, we got 185 locked in. That's a good day. 185, that's good. So far, so good. It's only what? It's not even 10:30 yet. It's not even 10:30 yet. Let's go. 475 locked in. Okay, so this is a pullback. Now on the 2-minute time frame, this will look like two green this tail on a 2-minute time frame is two green candles looking like they are about to take out the previous red. So this will create some anxiety. But on the 5-minute time frame, those pullbacks are still contained in that bar, in that candle. So it just looks like a tail. So that would be two more red candles taking out those green ones. Boom. So here we go. Pressing at that line. Looks like we're about to flush through this support. Looks like we're about to flush through the low of the previous day. So we continuing to go down. Yes, it's a bigger sell-off than it was the previous day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a lot going on. Okay, 515. 515. We have locked in 225. We locked in 225. And we still pushing. It's at 325. We locked in 225. We need more of that. We need more of that. We need more of that. Like, hold on. You can't do that. Hold on, what we got? 545. Okay, what's that? 265. Threw a little couple more dollars on it. We ain't trying to get too close and let that pullback stop us out unless we done running. So we doing the right thing by keeping a safe distance. We locking in profits, but we not gonna get too close up on them. We gotta switch that. Okay, we good. 610.6. 610.6. Ooh, so we up 310. We done locked in 310. We locked in 310. Look at that. Look at the bid price. How the bid price is 650. All right, so we watching that bid. We keeping a safe. We on the bid, but we don't want to get too close. It's like you following somebody, but you don't want them to know you behind them. So they at 680. We at 6. 685, we at 6. We're going to move this up again. We at 7. All right, 705. All right, we moving this thing up again. We moving this thing up again. All right, 650. 650. Move the stop loss. Don't take profit. That's what I'm learning. We're going to move the stop loss. We're not going to take the profit. When it's running like this, you're not mad. You creeping up because it could have kept running. We at 650 and we coming back down. As soon as it hits 660, it's going to get me out the play. Start looking. Look right there. Right there. Boom. And look at that. Look a little test. Start pulling back. And look at that. That was good. And right where we started making this chicken, we made out 365 at 10:29. Market been open about an hour. All right. Market only been open an hour. We made 365. Right. Look at that. Right off of that failed retest. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich.